Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Yearn Finance Vault strategy basics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Yearn Finance Vaults, you first need to set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Download MetaMask or another compatible wallet extension. Install the wallet and create a new wallet if you don't have one. Once set up, purchase some Ethereum for transaction fees. Transfer your Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. Next, navigate to the Yearn Finance website. Ensure you're using the official Yearn Finance URL to avoid scams. Connect your MetaMask wallet to Yearn Finance by clicking the Connect button. Select the vault you want to invest in from the dashboard. Take a moment to review the strategy details of the selected vault. Each vault employs a different strategy for yield generation. Once you've made your selection, click on the Deposit button. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet. Wait for the transaction to process on the Ethereum blockchain. After confirmation, your assets will start earning yield in that vault. You can monitor your deposits directly within the Yearn Finance interface. To withdraw your funds later, return to the vault where you've deposited. Click on the Withdraw button. Input the amount you want to withdraw. Review the transaction details again. Confirm the withdrawal in your MetaMask wallet. Wait for the transaction to clear on the blockchain. Your funds will be available in your MetaMask wallet once the withdrawal is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.